Mr. Robinson. Hello, baby. I don't. I took the breed out when we... I didn't. He took the... He... Right, can you let me explain? He took the breed out of the bag. I don't have breed in this bag. It's just water. Oh. You were right. I totally forgot. Oh, look. Thank you. Now I feel like a dick. Right, here you go. I'm sorry. It's just that there was buttered bread. I thought you were referring to the buttered bread. Oh yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're absolutely right. I apologise. You're absolutely right. I do need a lesson in arrogance. I should have checked the bag instead of arguing with one so noble. Do you forgive me? Yay! I'll leave some bread down for you. Joyous! Are we square? Do I get a woohoo? Yay! Yay! Thank you. You taught me a lesson. Next time I'll check the bag before I argue. I can't believe they did that. I got told off by a bird. Oh. I'll have to play that one back. Oh, that's hilarious. Why do I feel like something's going to jump out and give me a fright? I got yelled at by a bird. Oh, I hope that gets on camera. I need to listen to that one back. Because you won't sound nuts at all, Debbie. Nuts are so much tastier than normal. Oh, hello. Hello, baby. Hello, sweetheart. So word's gotten out that I have bread, huh? Huh? I'll just leave it on the trail. You better all not be laughing at me. Don't laugh at me, I said. Thank you. Oh, gonna fall. Oh yeah. Oh, am I lost? Is this the end of it?